smiling like that? Why? Anyway, today... Can you stop talking? Here's the self-growth. Self-growth. Yeah. Okay, broccoli time. Hey guys, it's Meg. This video is much different than our usual workouts, but I wanted to create a glow up series to inspire women and men to achieve their balance of health and wellness, to glow up from the inside out. I hope that through today's video, you guys can see that your meals don't have to be boring and can still be filled with foods you enjoy while losing weight. Okay, so today I have a bed of romaine lettuce, some broccoli, cucumber, tuna salad. I mixed it with 1 tablespoon of mayo, Greek yogurt for a little bit of dressing, leftover grilled chicken from Chick-fil-A, and then for a little sweet tooth after, some blueberries and strawberries. Today's menu is chicken tenders in the air fryer. So it's healthier and easy to make. Let's go. Being a dancer, my mindset really was taken over by toxic diet culture and made me believe that I had to have good versus bad food and either eating extremely clean food or absolute garbage. And it led me to develop binge eating. So if anyone is struggling with that right now, just know that it is 100% possible to heal from it, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So today I made chicken tenders in the air fryer, so a lot less oil. I have romaine under here, and then steamed some carrots, some cauliflower. I have leftover egg that I fried, some leftover sweet potato, and a little bit of ketchup. Yum! I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today's dinner, I was lazy, so I ordered cookie, and let me show you what I got. I ordered from Pokeworks. They literally put wasabi on the opening, so I'm gonna get a wasabi fingers. I ordered half greens, half brown rice with I got a size regular, so I got 2 salmon. No, that's a lie. I got 1 salmon, 1 tuna with like seaweed salad and all the things. It just obviously got jumbled when I received it. I mean, they're all in there. Just looks a little messed up, but I can't wait to eat it. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. By the way, I didn't mention this earlier, but I always get the dressing on the side just because I feel like with like the seaweed salad and the flavoring of the poke and stuff, it already comes pretty flavored. So if I want extra flavoring, I'll add the dressing, but I don't really put that much on it. So tip, don't drench your salads in dressing. Dressing is okay, you can have it, obviously, right? You want it to taste good, you want it to be yummy, but be aware because a lot of dressings have a lot of, sugar and calories and stuff like that. So be mindful of where your calories come from, but make what you're eating sustainable for you and make it taste good. See you guys tomorrow. Happy Thursday, everybody. Today's dinner.
Okay, stop.
Today's dinner is protein pancakes, and I'll show you how to make them. Step 1, you need protein powder in your bowl. A little bit of baking powder or baking soda. Just don't put too much. Crack them. Little bit of almond milk, just a splash. Avocado oil, spray. So one tip that I have been implementing a lot more these days is creating healthier versions of your favorite foods that may not be the most nutritious, right? There aren't any good or bad foods, but there are things that serve you more and give you more energy. So don't think that you have to give up all and everything to get the results you want, or to lose weight. There's always a way to eat the things you love and make it a fun process. And here we have it, folks. Protein pancakes. We've got 3 layers. They're actually pretty thick and like fluffy because of the baking powder. And I put some strawberries, and I put honey on top of Greek yogurt because always. Greek yogurt.
Good.
One more time. Say it again.
Very good. Very good.
See you tomorrow. I think Dennis is making fried rice. Tomorrow?
Not today.
Yeah, tomorrow. Good night.
Hello guys, happy Friday. Dennis was supposed to make fried rice today, but he decided to make it last night for his midnight snack. So today we decided to get a little, rotisserie chicken, and I'm gonna make a little salad thing with the chicken on top. So I'll see you when it's done. I'll say I look like a crazy person because I just finished Core Power Sculpt, and these days I really don't go out. Like literally I went out today for a 10-minute walk to the grocery store, and then the last time I was out it was Wednesday to go teach my clients in person. So I never wear makeup. So you get bare face Megumi. Here's to self-growth, self-growth, self-love. Yeah. Okay, broccoli time. I slid on that, You don't care? Will you like to tell them what we're having today?
I'm ready for it.
Okay, so today I put together a salad with romaine lettuce on the bottom, cauliflower, broccoli, some tomatoes, and rotisserie chicken.
Okay.
And then leftover, what is this? Red curry, Thai red curry with leftover rice. Another tip that I keep in mind when preparing meals is to prioritize protein. So whether you're putting together a quick last-minute meal or whatever, make sure you pick a good source of protein to keep you full and feed your muscles. Hello! Happy Saturday! Every weekend, pretty much every Saturdays, we eat out, right? Or we get takeout. So today we got gopjang, which if you don't know what it is, it's like, I'm afraid people will get gross. But basically it's fried intestine. Sounds gross, but it's so good. If you like pork belly, this is it. Try it. we kind of ordered a lot today. We're not eating all of it, obviously. That's fried rice, all the sides. It comes with like spicy chives and kimchi. You can eat your favorite foods, eat the things you like, and still lose weight. You can have takeout once a week. Calories still matter on the weekends, but if you eat slower, if you enjoy the food and, you know, take care of how much you're eating, you can lose weight sustainably and have yummy food. Itadakimasu.
So you can eat out. Remember, protein first, veggies as much as you can, rice won't kill you, and enjoy your food.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. We're finally here on the last day of what I eat in a day dinner edition. I think it's going to be more of a leftovers kind of day, so this meal will look very similar to something like earlier in the week, so I'll show you guys when it's ready. So this is literally the most random meal I've ever had, but I have a little salad, a little bit of rice, tomatoes, Greek yogurt for a little dressing mixed with leftover Chick-fil-A sauce, and I'm having a little bit of rotisserie chicken, but then we have all these Korean side dishes that came with our food yesterday. It's been really fun making this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, so let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, and I'll be sure to make more.
All in all, I'm not sure if this video was extremely informative, but I just hope that it shows you can totally transform your meals to make them tasty and towards any weight loss goals or health goals you have. And not that this matters, but this particular week I did lose a pound eating what I did, and I didn't even show you guys what I ate for breakfast or lunch, which I may have had Chick-fil-A a couple of times. LOL. Anyway, Dennis and I enjoyed sharing our meals with you. Subscribe to glow up with us together, and until next time.